I wish for everyone watching a day filled with vibrant health and a heart full of inspiration. It is a pleasure to share this visual escape with you. We often look for the new, but today we are looking for the storied. We are diving into vintage decor for the rustic garden, where old milk cans and weathered ladders become the stars of the landscape. Let's wander through these scenes together and discover how to turn the echoes of the past into the beauty of your present. Imagine a heavy, solid milk can standing at the entrance of your garden path, its silver surface now matte with the patina of decades. These cans once sat on dusty backroads waiting for the morning collection. Now they hold the weight of sprawling ferns or tall, sun-seeking sunflowers. They bring a sense of gravity to the garden, a sturdy, unyielding reminder of rural life that serves as a perfect anchor for the soft, swaying textures of the flowers surrounding them. A ladder that once helped pick apples or paint a farmhouse now finds its rest against a sun-drenched wall. Its rungs, worn smooth by hands and boots, offer a vertical stage for a theater of plants. Imagine terracotta pots of cascading ivy on the top step and heavy ceramic jars of lavender at the base. It's a space-saving masterpiece that draws the eye upward, turning a flat vertical plane into a lush, climbing forest of texture and scent. There is a profound mystery in a window hung where there is no house. When you mount an old wooden window frame, perhaps with a few panes of wavy glass still intact, onto a garden fence, you create a view to nowhere that actually makes the space feel infinitely larger. Draped in clematis or honeysuckle, the frame acts as a portal, tricking the mind into wondering what lies on the other side. It adds a layer of architectural romance that makes a modern garden feel like a secret, ancient sanctuary. An old iron wheelbarrow, its bottom rusted through and its handles silvered by the sun, is a garden in itself. Instead of hauling soil, it now cradles a riot of poppies and daisies. The orange hue of the rust provides a stunning, earthy contrast to the vibrant greens and pinks of the blossoms. It looks as though someone simply parked it after a long day of work a generation ago, and the garden decided to claim it, creating a living sculpture that celebrates the cycle of nature. Chipped white basins with blue rims, or perhaps a bright red colander, bring a playful domestic energy to the outdoors. Imagine a potting bench adorned with these kitchen survivors. They hold hand tools, seed packets, or even small clusters of herbs. Enamelware carries a sense of home and kitchen warmth into the garden air. Its smooth, reflective surface offers a clean contrast to the rough textures of mulch and stone, proving that even a kitchen cast-off can be a star in a rustic landscape. A garden is a community, and a collection of vintage birdhouses is a tribute to its smallest residents. Imagine a row of mismatched little houses, some with peeling paint, others made of raw weathered cedar, perched along the top of a picket fence. This village brings a sense of life and motion to the space. It tells a story of hospitality, suggesting that every creature is welcome in this rustic retreat. It turns a functional boundary into a bustling, charming neighborhood of nature. Heavy and unshakable, a stone trough feels like it has been part of the earth since the beginning of time. Once used to water livestock, these stone basins are now the perfect home for a minimalist succulent garden or a mirror-like water feature. The moss that begins to creep over the gray stone adds a layer of softness to its rugged form. It is a piece of decor that doesn't just sit in the garden. It belongs to the garden, providing a grounded, ancient foundation for your design. As the evening light softens against the patina of the metal and the grain of the wood, the garden settles into a familiar, heavy peace. A vintage farmhouse garden is a beautiful reminder that the most profound charm isn't something we buy. It is something we rescue and cherish. These storied corners stand as a silent promise that history and nature can live in perfect, cozy harmony. May your own outdoor space always be a place where the past is honored and the present is breathtakingly beautiful.